Ever yawn just because someone else did? You're not alone. Yawning is weirdly contagious. So why do we yawn in the first place? Scientists believe yawning helps cool down the brain. Yep, like a built-in air conditioner for your head. But here's the wild part, yawning isn't just about being tired or bored, it's social too. When we see someone yawn, our brain's mirror neurons light up and say, hey, me too. That's why even thinking about yawning, like right now, might make you yawn. Bonus fact, dogs can catch yawns from humans they're bonded with, so yes, even your pup might be yawning with you. So next time you yawn in a room full of people, just know, you're starting a chain reaction. Did you yawn while watching this? Let me know in the comments. And hey, follow for more brainy facts like this.